Stop wasting your money on collagen supplements. They're not the magic fix for your joints, your skin, or your overall health. I'm going to show you 5 evidence-based, cost-effective things you can do instead. Plus, one bonus tip you'll definitely want to hear at the end. You'll get stronger muscles, healthier joints, better skin, and feel better from the inside out without throwing money away on something your body can't even use the way you think it can. I'm Dr. Tammy Penhollow, a joint and spine expert, and today we're going to break down the myths about collagen peptide supplements. So collagens, they are connective tissue proteins. They're found in our tendons, in the cartilage, in the skin, and in bone. Note, I did not say the hair. The hair is not a connective tissue, so it does not even have collagen. So if you're buying these hair vitamins or hair supplements because they're full of collagen to help your hair, that's a waste of money. Collagen supplements are comprised primarily of 3 amino acids: glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. Collagen is naturally produced by consuming high-quality protein plus vitamin C. Oops, I just gave away our first one. We're going to link to 3 current articles from 2023, 2024, and 2025 that look at collagen's ineffectiveness. It doesn't work when we're looking at tendon remodeling and the connective tissue muscle protein synthesis rate. So let's dive into these 5 evidence-based alternatives. Number 1, I've already given it away: high quality protein plus vitamin C. The best high quality protein is these lean meats. We want no hormones, no antibiotics, free range. If you're talking about your chicken, your beef, your bison, your lamb, whatever, the fish, we want to look at the clean fish, not ones that are full of mercury. So fish, lean meat, eggs, dairy, protein in tofu, in legumes if you're vegetarian, and then marry that with a citrus like oranges or lemon squeeze or lime squeeze on the fish as you're making it, bell peppers and berries. Why? This supports muscle repair and collagen synthesis naturally. Number 2, omega-3 supplementation. These are that combination of EPA, DHA from fish oils or algae. Why? This lubricates the joints. It's anti-inflammatory, and this is pro-heart health, pro-eye health, and pro-brain health. Number 3, high-quality probiotics. This is for gut health because we want to reduce the systemic inflammation, heal from the inside out. You can do this with some prebiotics in things like yogurt, kefir, the fermented foods of kimchi or sauerkraut, or a very reputable supplement. Number 4, walking and movement. Low impact activity that actually nourishes the joints. The movement of the synovial joint fluid. That's its own joint lubricating fluid. You add strength training for some bonus joint support. Number 5, hydration, water. It's the original skin plumper. It's the original joint lubricant. So we want to aim for steady intake throughout the day. Don't just gulp it when you're super thirsty. All throughout the day, your goal based on what is best for you, and stopping before bedtime if you're getting up at night all the time to pee. So you stuck around to the end. Here's my bonus tip: turmeric root, fresh, not powdered. Why? Turmeric has curcumin. That's that anti-inflammatory. If you use the fresh root, then it avoids some of those contamination issues of the soil from other places. So this fresh root, I peel it, I then slice it or grate it into curries, into other foods, nice with vegetables like zucchini. It really takes on a nice flavor with this. It's great on potatoes, and I blend this into my smoothie. So those are some ideas. You can also steep it into tea, and tea plus includes the turmeric plus the water. So you get in a couple things. So to recap those 5 things, we've got hydration, we've got movement, walking, low impact, the omega-3s, the high quality probiotics, and protein plus vitamin C. Please check out below the links for these reference studies. We've got related videos on joint health and inflammation. So like, subscribe. If you've got any questions, ask them below and I will answer them for you. Thank you so much.
If you have knee pain and would like to learn more, I have a worksheet called 5 Things to Do Now to Reduce Your Knee Pain Within a Week. Go to www.kneeboostnow.com to download it for free. I'd love to hear from you, so please like, subscribe, and comment below so I can help you get out of your knee pain.